abrasive machining process. The abrasive machining involves material removal by the action of hard and abrasive particles. The use of abrasive to shape parts is probably the oldest material removal process. They are important because they can used on all type of material ranging from soft metal to hardened steels and hard non-metallic materials such as ceramic and silicon. Extremely fine surface finishes up to 0.025 μs. For the certain abrasive process, dimensions can be held to extremely close tolerance. Next one is a type of abrasive machining process. The first one is grinding. The hard materials can remove by using the grinding wheels. Different type of grinding wheels are available. Based on the materials, we choose the grinding wheel grade and grid type. Next one is a honing. Lapping is fine finishing, super finishing, polishing, buffing, abrasive water jet machining, ultrasonic machinings. These are the types of abrasive machining process. This is one of the small examples of machining process. The VWH, that means grinding wheels, that are grinding stones. VW, cutting speed velocity. This is a workpiece. Difference between grinding and milling. The abrasive grinds in the wheels are much smaller and more numerous than the teeth of milling cutter. The cutting speed is grinding are much higher than in milling. The abrasive grids in grinding will randomly oriented. Grinding wheel is self-sharpening. Particles on become dull, either fracture to create a new cutting edge or are pulled out of the surface of the wheel to expose the new grinds. This is the surface grinding. V equal to speed, W equal to cross feed, D equal to in feed, V equal to work speed. The different type of surface grinding available: horizontal surface grinding, vertical surface grinding. The material removal, opposite side, the workpieces feed into under the grinding wheels. Examples: this is a workpiece rotating. This is a horizontal reciprocating type. This is work speed, horizontal rotating types. This is vertical surface grinding. Next one is a surface grinding machines. As shown in these images, first is the wheel head, the wheel card, in feed, work speed, cross feed, column, grinding wheel, work part, work table, bed. We can adjust the work head based on the workpiece and height of the workpiece. We can reciprocate the surface table based on the length of workpiece. We can adjust to reduce the production time purpose. The wheel guard provides this safety. If suppose the wheel broken, definitely make a big injury to operator. So avoiding that accident by protecting the wheel guard. This is a column. All forces are supported by this column. Grinding wheel, we can replace the changed on the material harness. This is a work port. We can adjust crosswise and longitudinal wise. This is a work table. We can control by automatically.